It's recording.
I'm here to look at boogie.
Cool. So, how do you guys feel about me leaving?
What?
So how do you feel about me leaving?
Like this.
Alright.
Let's take a moment of silence.
Moment of silence.
Oh, you're leaving. You're gonna graduate. You're gonna be successful. Wait, this is a moment of silence. Okay.
Moment over. Sorry if it's kind of noisy. Because I'm at school. It's a noisy school. Is my face even in the frame? What kind of a big thing? Oh, it's the cookie! That was beautiful.
Let me see Beto.
She wants to see Beto, her boyfriend.